Top 7 Yoga Mudras for Better Sleep. Sleep is a crucial aspect of our daily lives, allowing our bodies and minds to recharge and rejuvenate. However, many individuals struggle to get sufficient sleep. Centuries ago, before modern medicine, ancient practices like yoga, meditation, and Tai Chi provided effective stress-reducing techniques that indirectly promoted better sleep. These practices utilized mudras, which are hand gestures designed to activate specific energies in the body, mind, and spirit. Yoga mudras are hand gestures or movements used in yoga and meditation practices to help enhance physical and mental well-being. Mudras are a form of yoga that utilizes hand gestures, which are believed to create specific energetic patterns within the body. These hand gestures have been used for thousands of years to promote healing and relaxation, and they are an excellent tool for those looking to improve their sleep quality. In this article, we will explore some of the best yoga mudras for better sleep and how to perform them. Chin Mudra. Chin Mudra is a popular yoga mudra that is often used for meditation and relaxation. This mudra is believed to balance the body's energy and promote relaxation, making it an ideal gesture for better sleep. To perform this mudra, sit comfortably with your back straight and place your hands on your knees. Touch the tips of your index finger and thumb together while keeping your other fingers extended. Close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths while holding this mudra. Anjali Mudra. Anjali Mudra is also known as the prayer gesture, and it is a common mudra used in yoga and meditation practices. This mudra is believed to promote calmness and relaxation, making it an ideal gesture for better sleep. To perform this mudra, sit comfortably with your back straight and bring your palms together in front of your heart. Press your palms together firmly and close your eyes while taking slow, deep breaths. Prana Mudra. Prana Mudra is a powerful gesture that is believed to enhance the flow of prana or life force energy in the body. This mudra is thought to promote vitality, balance, and relaxation, making it an excellent gesture for better sleep. The practice of yoga mudras and other specialized hand gestures can help induce deep sleep in just a few minutes. However, Prana Mudra is a powerful technique that not only promotes restful sleep but also directs the subconscious mind toward positive life changes. To perform Prana Mudra, sit in a comfortable meditation posture such as Padmasana or Sukhasana. Then, fold your small and ring fingers towards your palm and touch the tips of these fingers to the tip of your thumb. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. To experience the full benefits of Prana Mudra, practice it continuously for 35 minutes daily or 10 to 12 minutes 3 times a day. This mudra can bring about pleasant changes in life by directing the flow of prana, life force energy, towards positivity and vitality. By incorporating Prana Mudra into your regular meditation practice, you can enhance your ability to achieve restful sleep and experience a renewed sense of mental and emotional well-being. However, it is important to note that mudras should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. Shakti Mudra. Shakti Mudra is a yoga mudra that is said to enhance energy, strength, and vitality within the body. The term, Shakti, refers to the feminine principle of divine energy, and this mudra is believed to activate and balance this energy within us. To perform Shakti Mudra, close your eyes and take some deep breaths while focusing on your breath. Place your thumb on your palm and press it with your index and middle fingers while keeping your ring finger and little finger straight. Next, bring your hands near your chest and touch the ring finger of both hands with each other, and the little finger of each hand with the other. Join the fists of both hands together. As you hold this mudra, take deep breaths, focusing on the energy flowing into your body with each inhale and exhale. You can also visualize a flow of energy moving through your body, from the base of your spine to the crown of your head, as you hold this mudra. Shakti Mudra is said to be particularly beneficial for women, as it is believed to help balance the menstrual cycle and alleviate symptoms of menopause. This mudra may also help to increase physical and mental strength, as well as reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. Incorporating Shakti Mudra into your yoga or meditation practice can help you to connect with your inner strength and vitality, as well as promote balance and harmony within your body and mind. However, it is important to remember that while mudras can be helpful, they should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. Shunya Mudra. Shunya Mudra is a gesture that is believed to help relieve tension and promote relaxation. This mudra is thought to help calm the mind and reduce stress, making it an ideal gesture for better sleep. To perform this mudra, sit comfortably with your back straight and bend your middle finger to touch the base of your thumb. Keep your other fingers extended and take slow, deep breaths while holding this mudra. Matangi Mudra. Matangi Mudra is a hand gesture or seal of harmony in yoga that promotes the nourishment and balancing of various internal systems, such as the circulatory, lymphatic, and digestive systems. By fostering harmony between these systems, this mudra can help improve sleep quality. This mudra is believed to activate the solar plexus or navel chakra, which in turn enhances metabolism and willpower. This increased sense of personal well-being can contribute to a reduction in sleep issues. To practice Matangi Mudra, sit comfortably in any posture. Cross your fingers at the solar plexus region and raise both middle fingers to point towards each other. Keep the rest of your fingers crossed and maintain this posture while breathing. Incorporating Matangi Mudra into your daily routine can help you to feel more balanced and in harmony with your internal systems, ultimately leading to improved sleep and overall health. However, as with all mudras, it is important to seek professional medical advice if you have any underlying health concerns. Vayu Mudra. Vayu Mudra is a gesture that is believed to promote calmness and relaxation by reducing anxiety and stress. This mudra is thought to balance the air element in the body, which is responsible for regulating the nervous system. To perform this mudra, sit comfortably with your back straight and touch the tips of your index finger to the base of your thumb. Keep your other fingers extended and take slow, deep breaths while holding this mudra. By incorporating these practices into your bedtime routine, along with performing yoga mudras, you can improve your sleep quality and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. In conclusion, yoga mudras are a simple yet powerful tool that can be used to promote relaxation, reduce stress, and improve sleep quality. By practicing these hand gestures, along with other healthy sleep habits, you can enhance your physical and mental well-being and enjoy a more restful sleep. It is important to note that if you are experiencing chronic sleep disturbances or other sleep-related issues, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure that there are no underlying medical conditions that require treatment.